Hello students, welcome again in our channel or as well as in this video. In this video, we will discuss about the remaining modals need, dare and used to. These modals have not very special methods or rule to use, but with the help of the meaning of this sentence and sense of the sentence, we use these modals. Example, first of all, we start use of need. Use of need, where we use need means आवश्यकता or जरूरत. And this need is regular verb and also used as modals, but only in interrogative and negative sentences. It means we use need only in negative sentence or interrogative sentence. Examples, first, you need not take an umbrella as it has stopped raining. In this sentence, it is very clear that rain has stopped, so you need not take an umbrella. Next is, tomorrow is holiday, you need not come to school. You need not come to school as tomorrow is holiday. In the same sense, in interrogative sentence, need you go home so soon means you need not. Next is, need you speak so fast. This is the use of need, means we use only in negative and interrogative sentences, and with these example we cleared it. Use of dare. As the meaning of the word, it is clear that dare means dussahas or himmat sahas. It is also like need, a regular verb, and also used only in negative and interrogative sentences as need is used. So with the examples we will clear it also. First is, I dare not go into dark room at night. I dare not means I can't. Next is, he dare not enter principal's office. In both sentences, negative sentences, we use dare. And next is, in interrogative sentence also, how dare you insult me? How dare you? How dare you enter my room with muddy feet? So this is the use of dare. And third is use of used to. Used to means in the sense of किया करता था बट अब नहीं करता, या हुआ करता था बट अब नहीं है. In this sense we use used to. And first point is to express past habitual action. We use used to in the sense of past habitual action. Let's see example. Before marriage he used to drink a lot, but now no. Next is, in the past people used to believe that the earth was flat. The earth was flat, it was believed by the people in the past. I will repeat the sentence. In the past, people used to believe that the earth was flat. And next point is to show the past existence of a thing or a place. So the past existence. Example, there used to be a big building at the corner. At the corner, there used to be a big building. Next is, a fair used to be held in this ground every year. Every year, what happened? A fair used to be held in this ground every year. These are the example of used to. I hope you got it. First point is used of need. Need means आवश्यकता and ज़रूरत, and it is used here to show the necessity in negative sense. And next is second is dare. Use of dare. Dare means दुसाहस or हिम्मत. We also use it only interrogative or negative sentence. And third is used to. And used to means किया करता था या हुआ करता था in past, but today नहीं, in today or now. And used to is used in two sense, to express past habitual action and to show the past existence of a thing or place. That's all. Thank you.